Welcome to NIO Studio. This is Dr. Devika R, Assistant Professor, giving a session on the topic Measures of Central Tendency Median. Median can be seen as the median strip or central tendency is reserved area that separates opposing lines of traffic on divided roads, such that we have often seen the median lines on the divided highways, the dual carriageways, freeways and motorcycles. We can see very clearly from the picture median stripes on the roads. So, the term median will be quite familiar to us. Median in statistics tells you where the middle of the data set is. We can see here from the picture that in a median there will be a central point and 50% of the scores will come below the median point and 50% of the scores will come above the median point. Thus, a median divides a distribution into two equal halves. Median is the middle value of the data when arranged in ascending or descending order of magnitude. In median, half of the observations will lie above it and the other half will lie below it, as we can see from the previous picture. Definition: when the items of a series are arranged in ascending or descending order of magnitude, the measure or value of the item which comes in the central position in the series is taken as the median. This is a definition that is given by Upadhyay and Singh in the year 2017. Calculation of median. Median can be calculated in two situations. Case 1, when an ungrouped data is given, and the second case, we can calculate median if frequency distribution is given. The first case, for the ungrouped data. In this case, two situations will occur. First one, when n is odd, that means when the number of given scores is odd, and the second situation, if the number of scores in a distribution becomes even. Step 1. Arrange the given data in ascending order, or we can do in the reverse order, which means we can arrange the data even in the descending order. If it's in the ascending order, arrange the data from smallest to greatest, and if it's in the descending order, arrange the scores from greatest to the smallest. Step 2. Find the number in the middle, and this will be the median for the given set of scores. Example of median when n is odd. The scores obtained by 5 students for the Mehendi contest are 70, 75, 65, 80 and 85. Calculate the median. So, as said before, in the step 1, arrange the series in ascending order or descending order. In this case, I have done it in the ascending order, that is, the scores can be arranged as 65, 70, 75, 80 and 85. Step 2, find the number of observations or data. By counting, we can say that n is equal to 5, and as we all know, 5 is an odd number. Now, how to calculate the median? In this case, median equals the measure or value of n plus 1 by 2th item, or median is the measure or the value of third item, and in this case the third item is 75, which means median is 75. Now, another example, find the median for the following data set: 102, 56, 34, 99, 89, 101 and 10. Step 1. Place the data in ascending order, that is, it can be arranged as 10, 34, 56, 89, 99, 101 and 102. Step 2. Find the number which comes in the middle position. And we can see that 89 is the number that comes in the middle position. Thus, median is equal to 89. Now, as said before, we can find median for group data. N is even. Step 1. Place the data in ascending order, that is from smallest to greatest. Step 2. Find two numbers that comes in the middle position. And the final step, step 3. Add the two numbers which comes in the middle position and divide it by 2 to get the average. And this becomes the median score. Example, find the median for the scores 102, 56, 34, 99, 89, 101, 10 and 54. Step 1. Place the scores in ascending order, that is 10, 34, 54, 56, 89, 99, 1 and 102. Step 2. Find the numbers which comes in the middle position. We can find the average for the third step, that is the numbers which comes in the middle position are 56 and 89, and thus median becomes the average of the two numbers 56 and 89. Thus median is equal to 56 plus 89 divided by 2 equals 145 divided by 2 equals 72.5. Now median when n is even. When n is even, two midpoints occur and median is calculated using the formula median is equal to the value of n by 2th item plus the value of n by 2 plus 1th item divided by 2. Again, calculation of median when n is even. Consider the votes obtained by students for the election conducted in your school. 200, 35, 175, 100, 350, 20, 30 and 50. How to calculate median in this case? Step 1. Arrange the data in ascending order, that is 20, 30, 35, 50, 100, 175, 200, 350. Step 2. Finding the number of observations. Here n is equal to 8, which is an even number. Now median is equal to the value of n by 2th item plus the value of n by 2 plus 1th item divided by 2, and that equals, and we get two middle scores here 50 and 100. Therefore, median is equal to mean of 50 and 100 equals 50 plus 100 divided by 2 equals 75. Now, median for the grouped data. When the scores are provided in the form of frequency distribution, median is calculated using the formula median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus f divided by small f into I, where L represents the exact lower limit of the median class, n is the total frequency, f is the cumulative frequency up to the median class, f is the frequency of the median class, and I is the width of the class interval. Compute the median for the frequency distribution. Here we are given a set of class intervals. The first column represents the class intervals and it is headed as scores, and the second column is represented as frequency. Thus, the scores are 52 to 56, the corresponding data is 2, 57 to 61 it is 8, 62 to 66 it's 9, and 67 to 71 it is 4. Now, while doing the calculation, the scores should be written as the first column, frequency can be written in the second column, and cumulative frequency should be found out. Thus, the cumulative frequency is, in the first case, the 2 should be simply written as 2. Now, while calculating the cumulative frequency, the frequencies should be cumulated or it should be simply added. Thus, the final column of the second row becomes 10, which is obtained by 2 plus 8. The final column of the third row becomes 19, which we obtain by adding 10 and 9. And the final cumulative frequency is 23, which is obtained by adding up the two numbers 19 and 4. Thus, we can see that L is equal to 61.5, that is the exact lower limit of the median class. N is 23. The cumulative frequency for the median class is 10. Frequency of the median class is 9 and class interval is 5. Now, applying the formula, median is equal to 61.5 plus 23 by 2 minus 10 divided by 9 into 5, and that equals 61.5 plus 0.83 equals 62.33. Now, coming to the conclusion, median indicates the middle value of a given set, and median divides a given distribution into two equal halves. Median can be computed even when the number of scores is odd and even. When odd, middlemost value is taken when data is arranged in the descending order. When the number of scores is even, the middle two values are found and average is taken as the median. Thank you.